I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting and organizing data. Label images consistently and convert them to COCO or YOLO format so tools read them reliably. Once done, install and verify your framework, TensorFlow or PyTorch, plus CUDA and cuDNN to use a GPU. Make sure to define train/validation/test splits and a baseline augmentation pipeline like random flip, scale, and color jitter. This reduces overfitting and boosts generalization early, which matters. You now pick a model and start training with transfer learning so weights converge faster. Use a backbone like ResNet for accuracy or MobileNet for edge deployment. Once training begins, monitor validation MAP, loss curves, and class-wise recall. Adjust learning rate, batch size, and augmentations based on trends. Make sure to enable mixed precision for speed, checkpoint regularly, and use early stopping to avoid wasted compute. Keep experiments tracked so you can reproduce the best settings. You finish by exporting an optimized model for your target. Convert to ONGX, TF-Lite, or Torch script and run inference tests to measure latency and accuracy. Once deployed, validate with held-out and real-world samples to catch domain shift. Collect failure cases for retraining. If things go wrong, first check for label errors or inconsistent preprocessing between training and inference. Then review learning rate and class imbalance. Fixing those usually resolves poor performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.